Hey there YouTubers, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on because we have tons more Apex Legends clips for you. We are also currently running a giveaway on our Twitter, check it out. May the All-Father be with you.
Oh yeah, we gotta fight in front of us.
Fire, fire, fire. Wait, hang. Jump pad.
Oh, time to feed. Oh, I'm in on this guy. I'm 360ing. They can't hit me. They don't know what to do.
I'm here with you. Knock one. Oh, the one punches down. Oh god, he punched me. Oh god. There's another. Why do Pathfinders always keep punching me?
Oh, the Seagull. That's them.
Get him! No, he got me. I'm dead.
Dude, that's Seagull.
Move.
What is this an ad for? Oh, guys on me. It's for the squad stream. The new squad stream feature. Mirage is 1 HP. Another one's 100. Wraith.
One's down. I'm shooting at.
Or Octane. Octane's low. Oh, that was sick.
Up.
Recharging shield.
You just got fucked.
Deep breaths. Wait.
You fucking did.
Giving my shields a recharge. I am repairing myself.
Oh my god. Bruh. Oh my god. That's not.
Sitting in the theory, like the theory crafting room, dude. The think tank. Everyone over at EA, Apex Legends. Guys, we're still not gonna be able to catch up to Fortnite. What do we do? I mean, we could add some, you know, some great updates and content. Yeah, that's a little hard. What about you? What about you, Beth? We could just wait for Epic to make a shitty update. Boom! I love it.
I'm coming up, guys. Woo!
That guy's low.
Yes!
Yeah. All TN boys, not mine. Oh, I have one. One hit me, I'm just right here. There's another two. You're getting paid to play fucking games because trying. Suck my dick, bitch. What I'm saying is that companies try to really take advantage of people in like streamer situations, even small or big. Getting paid to play games is still a fucking job, and just because you're playing a game doesn't mean you shouldn't treat it like a job. You're absolutely ignorant. I fucked your mom. You're a piece of shit. You're so stupid, but it's okay because you can sub and get some IQ points and probably understand the conversation. But if you could try to comprehend just the baseline of the conversation, where we're talking about how companies are scumming streamers and shit out of like their integrity and stuff, that's just scummy.
It's usually only half.
Yo, flipping it up, flipping it down, flipping it around, flipping it sipping it down, trying to die, you're gonna die, motherfucker, ready, fire, hot, side of car, I got that motherfucker, try to car, yo, bo, you treat it by,
where are we gonna land though, this side of the map?
What am I doing?
It's a good question, and I do not have an answer to.
Alright, gentlemen, I'm gonna...
Here. I swear I just heard him.
Yeah, we got some videos out here.
That was sick! That was sweet! That was sweet!